Russia's only aircraft carrier, the Admiral Kuznetsov, seems to be in for a forever refit. Those who expected to see the only Russian aircraft carrier on the seas soon are in for a surprise, as the vessel is still plagued by issues. Admiral Kuznetsov is still at least a year out before rejoining the Russian combat fleet, according to Russian military sources who talked to Russian state media. The vessel is currently undergoing repairs and modernization work that seeks to extend its life for an additional 10 to 15 years. Where's the Russian aircraft carrier? For years, the sole Russian aircraft carrier has been plagued by mechanical breakdowns and maintenance woes. The US and Western sanctions imposed on Russia are certainly to delay the work on the Admiral Kuznetsov even further. The transfer of the Admiral Kuznetsov cruiser to the fleet after modernization and all subsequent state tests will take place no earlier than in 2024, the Russian state media TASS reported. The Russian Navy is designating Admiral Kuznetsov as a heavy aircraft carrier cruiser, and the vessel can carry approximately 24 fighter jets, 12 helicopters, 12 P-700 anti-ship cruise missiles and almost 203 K-95 Kinzhal surface-to-air missiles. The sole Russian aircraft carrier is a short takeoff, barrier-arrested recovery, stowbar, flat top that uses a ski jump and upward curving ramp at the front of the warship to assist aircraft in taking off for its deck. In addition to stowbar flat tops, there are catapult-assisted takeoff barrier-arrested recovery (catabar) aircraft carriers, which have a flat deck and use a catapult to launch and recover aircraft. Laid down in 1982 and launched 3 years later in 1985, the Admiral Kuznetsov is the Russian Navy's flagship. However, from the start, the sole Russian aircraft carrier was hamstrung by its design. In order to make it more efficient and cheaper, the Russian Navy opted to power the aircraft carrier with mazut, an oil byproduct that produces thick, toxic smoke. But that very smoke makes the ship visible from miles, increasingly its vulnerability.